Congratulations, you found it. Online course, Impact Marketing from Kotler to Midjourney and ChatGPT. That will cover all changemakers' promotion needs. Are you ready to take your social campaign to the next level? In 7 lessons, we will go through basics of marketing, impact cases from different countries and industries. We'll get acquainted with the best social ads and learn how chatbots can help to drive social change. You will create amazing ads posters comparable to industry leaders. We will analyze in details, step by step, impact marketing strategy proposed by artificial intelligence. You will be able to find new followers that will drive your social mission and income to a new level. I want to help you to promote your social venture or project based on my personal experience, Philip's Kotler theoretical foundations, and new opportunities provided by Midjourney and ChatGPT. My name is Sergey. I'm PhD in political science and have more than 20 years of experience in working with social projects. Conducted over 500 training events for social entrepreneurs in non-commercial organizations. Well, unlock your changemaker's potential with our new online course. Join now.